is at $86.77. So as at the time I made this video, Amazon stock price was at $86.77. Drum rolls! Now let's look at the current price of Amazon stock and see if I was right. Here you can see that Amazon stock price is at $157.45. Yeah, I'm super excited about this video because this is going to be a roasting kind of video. Like, I'm going to be roasting you. And a lot of people that left some comments in the video that I'm going to be talking about, because this is more like a follow-up of a video I did in 2022 December, where I made some predictions on how you're going to be making a lot of money from the comfort of your home without doing nothing.
Come again?
Without doing nothing, just invest your money and you're going to be making a whole lot of money by the end of the year. The few people that watched this video left a comment in the comment section, and some of them wasn't funny. And we're going to be going through the comments before we get into the video proper. And in the end, we're going to be replying those people. You are going to help me reply those people. And again, this video is to set the foundation for this channel for this year, and also to prove to you why you should stick with me throughout this year. Because all my life on this channel, all I have ever shared with you is nothing but something that will help you make a lot of money from the comfort of your home. And this video that I'm making right now is going to prove that to you. Now, without further ado, please come closer and let's dive in. So if you scroll down, you're going to see some of those funny comments. And here you can see, dude, we don't know how long this particular bear market will last. You can't be sure if the stocks won't go down further. The advice is not based on fact. You have to learn about the things that affect stocks move. That is corporate profit and microeconomics, etc. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't just make videos because I want to make videos and get a lot of likes. I make videos that will impact you, change your life, teach you how to make money from the comfort of your home, because that is all that I do from the comfort of my home. And that is why I took it upon myself to share all the things that I learned in my journey on this channel. So I'm not one of those people that make money by teaching you how to make money. I make money and then I come over here and teach you how I make that money. How about that? All right, so and this video has proven that. Of course, we're going to go through it and then you're going to see it for yourself. And here you can see this guy here. You keep saying as soon as the market recovers to the original price. Are you a proven psychic? Yes, when it comes to making money, yes, I'm a proven psychic. All right, now we're going to go through the video and you can see not many people watched it. 775 people watched the video, and I can bet you most of them didn't watch it to the end. But I've done my job by sharing with you how I made this money. And the thing is, people don't like following instructions on how to make real money. They want to chase shadows. Now we're going to be looking at this video right now. So I'm going to be showing you 7 stocks that is offering their stocks at the Black Friday price. As of December 2021, the stock price for Netflix was around $614. But as of December 2022, it's around $297.96. So as at the time I made this video, Netflix stocks was around $297.96. So drum rolls, let's see the current price of Netflix. So here you can see that it jumped to $564.11. Oh, it just jumped again. $569.99. And that is over 57% in a single year. Now, this is amazing. Banks don't even give you up to 3%, 10%, and you're getting over 57% on your investment. Now, how cool can this be? Now, I'm wondering what that guy that asked me if I was a proven psychic will be thinking right now. Let's move on. And that brings us to the next one, which is DraftKings. So DraftKings, as at the time I made this video, was at $11.77. So come on, again, drum rolls, and we're going to look at DraftKings and see the current price. And you can see here, tada, $39.05. And as you can see here, that is over 137%. This simply means that if you had invested $1,000 in this stock, you have over $1,300 sitting as profit in your account. Now, how cool is this? Imagine the amazing predictions that I gave to you guys in 2022. And again, a lot of people didn't take it seriously. But look at it now. Look at me now. Hey, look at me now. All right, so let's move over to the next one. and that is Shopify. We already know Shopify, and the price as at December 2021 was at $138.56, and today is selling at $36.19. So as you can see, as at the time I made this video, Shopify stock price was at $36.19. So drum rolls, let's see how much it is right now. So if you go over to Shopify, and we can see ta-da, $80. Now, this is so amazing, and it's 59.31%. That's how much Shopify grew in 1 year. How cool is this? Now, this is so amazing. If you had invested $1,000, you would have made over $570 as profits. Now, how cool is this? Let's jump over to the next one so that I don't waste much of your time. Tesla stock. Tesla is offering us 58% discount. And 1 year ago, Tesla stock was sold at $336.29. But today it's being sold at $137.57. So Tesla stock, as at the time that I made this video, was selling at $137.57. So drum rolls, let's go ahead and check the Tesla stock and see the current price for today. Now, if you go over here, you can see Tesla stock is currently selling at $187. This simply means that even though you put in your $1,000, in as much as you didn't make a lot of profit, you didn't still lose any money. Come on. This is something to celebrate, because I mean, the ones that we have looked at, nobody lost money, and it's just profits all the way. Now, imagine if you had invested in any of the stocks. This is why you should subscribe to this channel, so that you never miss any of the video that I have lined up for you this year. So now let's jump over to the next one, and that will be Google stock. Google is giving us 34% discount, and as at December 2021, Google stock was sold at $146.42. And in December 2022, Google stock is now at $89.58. And let's jump over to the current price and see how much it is. Here you can see that Google stock, which is Alphabet Inc., you can see that it's currently being sold at $141.80. That's over 39% profit or interest, anyone you want to call it. Now, this is amazing. If you had invested your money, you wouldn't have lost money, and you would have made over 39% interest on your money. This is a very cool way to grow your money. I mean, you work so hard, and then you want to put your money in where your money is going to be making you a lot of profit. And like I will always say, you don't spend from your earned income, you spend from your passive income. And this is an amazing passive income that brings you a lot of juicy money to your pocket, right? And without wasting much of your time, let's jump over to the next one, and that would be Meta. Meta is giving us their stock at a discount rate of 80%. Can you beat that? This also means that if you invest $1,000 and it grows back to the original price, you're going to be making $800 almost instantly. So as at the time I made this video, Meta stock price was sold at $119.76. And now, drum rolls, let's see the current price for Meta. So if we go over to our Google now and search for Meta stocks, here you can see that Meta is currently being sold at $397.84. That is over 159% increase. Now, this is amazing. That means if you invested $1,000, you would have made $1,590 plus. Clap for me, come on. Clap for me, just like this video. That is all you have to do. All right, let's jump over to the next one. I'm excited about this one. And I mean, this was all the list, but I added a bonus, and that bonus is no other than Bitcoin. Now, if we look at 5-year growth record of Bitcoin, you can see that as at 5 years ago, Bitcoin was sold at $12,839.99. And then it grew all the way to $64,400. And now it's currently at $16,803.30. So as at the time I made this video, Bitcoin was being sold at $16,803.30. That was how much Bitcoin was. And drum rolls. Let's go over to the current Bitcoin price. It will shock you, right? So, ta-da! We have $42,139.60. That is over 77% increase over a period of 1 year. Come on. I'm your angel. So with all we have looked at, I'm pretty much convinced that by now you already know that I was sent to help you make 7 figures. If only you're going to turn on my post notification so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And there's only one thing I ask of you to do for me. It's to go over and watch this video. I'm going to link it over here, and I'm going to also link it in the description below so that you can go and watch this video to better understand the things that I broke down in this video, and then you can see how you can apply it moving forward. And again, one thing else I want you to do for me is to simply reply these 2 people. Please go ahead and reply them and let them know that I was right and they were wrong, and they will continue to be wrong about me. Nobody. Nobody. Because why? I share everything that I know, everything that works. I don't share things that don't work just to get views or get likes, because if I do that, I'll be getting a lot of them. But they say good things are not popular, and that is why I'm recommending this video to you next, to go and watch it and learn how you can make a lot of money this year using this one skill.